Good afternoon, everyone. Today, our video is a little bit different because what I'll be featuring you is not a house for sale, but rather, this is my first ever Airbnb and transient rental business that I started December 27, 2024. Let's go. But before that, let me pinpoint first our best tank or our water tank na very important sa mga transient rental business like this one, especially here in Butuan na medyo challenging ang ato ang water supply, no? So with that, our guest never had a loss of water supply every single day. So let's go. So upon entering, this house is really sellable in the market today because of its color, because we really intended to choose a cappuccino type of a wall. Kay, tanaw na siya, very aesthetic. No? It really looks like a westernized type of a house. And then, amo yung fully furnished ang house because we want our clients to be very comfortable in, staying in the house for quite some time, especially this afternoon at around 2 p.m. Nami i-welcome nga guest nga long term. He will be here from April 19th up to June 7. So long term siya. So i-calculate na lang to niya. Charot. By the way, we have two beds here. It is a queen size bed, that one and this one, and we really tawag na nag-invest me og linens that are hotel-like because we want them to experience comfort and cozy sleeping experience. So, did not to be very expensive sa mga butang, no, because I, as a rental host business myself, is nagpalit to og mga butang na very quality, high quality, but at the same time, very affordable po siya. No? Kung na makita ninyo, there is somewhere here. Like for example, brand new of course, ang among 4K 43-inch TCL TV for a movie night experience. So, nami mga TV console. And let me give you a quick look sa amo ang Honesty Store where we give convenience sa amo ang guests, especially if gutuman sila pagka alas 12 sa kadlawon or alauna or whatnot. Pwede na silang pili mga canned goods, mga chichirya, pancit canton, and whatsoever. So going here sa ato ang a kitchen area and dining area, of course, we also chose a four-seater dining table because ideally this transient house is good for 4 persons nga comfortably makapuyo diri. And look at that. So kami personally ang nag-design ani in our own choice, taste, and personal take. Also, kani bito very affordable kayo ni siya nga ref because mura na po siya pamana sa akong client, no? Basta barato na kayo. And then, in our kitchen area, amo gid of course give priority ang basic necessities sa atong mga kliyente, no? Of course, we have here our induction cooker where makaluto sila every single day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And para po sa ilahang mawala ang kanbitang baho sa pagluto, so na may range hood as well. Complete utensils and everything that they need for a daily experience. So, lastly, it's really a need for us to have a very clean and at the same time, diba? Smelling nice nga comfort room. We provided them with a complete toiletries. And then, tanaw sa, migyan sa manang mo, diba? Nga ng blue man, diba? So, yun lang kasi, no? Dapat mga tuwalya, of course, no? And an exhaust fan. So, the point that I'm telling you this, of course, is because if you want to have your own rental business, you want to do it in a way nga diligid mo mag-spend of millions. Wala ko nag-spend of millions, ani guys. I have 5 houses as of the moment. 1 is a magipuyan sa Camellia Homes. 2 is pre-selling nga mo-turn over very, very soon in Prime World and Cebulan Masters Casabira Homes. But 1, the 4th one is ang build and sell project na mo in Ampayon, and this is the 5th one nga naga-income generating na siya. If you wanna know more about this and wanna have your own transient rental business through pre-selling, if you want it in an installment basis, if gusto pag kag mga ready na nga Airbnb, But you need a lot of money for you to establish that. Whichever option you would like, I can teach you how. Just send me a message today. Bye!